Hi everyone, Caroline here. If I had to choose between black tourmaline and black obsidian, I would totally choose black obsidian over black tourmaline. And believe me when I tell you that I absolutely love both of these stones. So don't get me wrong, but there's something that I want you to pay attention to or to notice about black tourmaline and black obsidian. So if you've been using black tourmaline or black obsidian to absorb negative energy or for protection, pay a little extra attention because not all black colored stones are the same and not all black stones work in the same exact way or do the same exact thing. There are some subtle but powerful differences in how these black colored crystals work. So even though black tourmaline and black obsidian are both defensive and protection energies against unwanted toxicity or negativity or whatever, they are different. And this difference is what I'm inviting you to consider today. So stay with me, okay? All right. I really like this type of information because it can help you know when to use black tourmaline or when not to use black tourmaline, or it can help you know when to use black obsidian and when not to use black obsidian, or what each of these crystals are doing in case you have a choice to make. So it's so cool, and I love these types of details because they can really help you go deeper into your awareness of why you are working with crystals. They can really help you explore that aspect of different crystals so that you're making the right decisions by you every time you're working with your crystal babies. If you've been watching my channels, that I'm always advocating for the fine-tuning of our personal experiences when we are working with these amazing crystal beings. And I am sure that there are many crystal lovers who appreciate these different angles or different perspectives of approaching our work with crystals in this deeper way. So I am really, really happy to share, as always, okay? So here's the thing. Even though black tourmaline and black obsidian are defensive stones, and many of us use them for protection or for removing unwanted energies or for removing unwanted negativity or toxic energies or for expelling unwanted things from our lives or from our life experiences, these two black stones are similar in that sense because they are used for expelling energy. However, I want you to consider this, and this is just my personal experience. Black obsidian really is the powerhouse protection stone of choice for me because it can do double duty. And why is this? This is because it not only expels negativity, but it also has the ability to secure the exterior of a situation and prevent further things from going on because of that quality. So it not only expels energy out, but it also secures the border. It secures your energy and protects further things from going on with you until your situationship is resolved. So because of that, black obsidian is my power stone in case I really do need to make a choice between black tourmaline and black obsidian. And really, I would like to know how you experience this for yourself. This is what I have personally experienced when working with these two stones that has led me to the conclusion that this is something that is worth considering when it comes to protection crystals or using black stones for protection. Okay, so this is not to put black tourmaline down because I love black tourmaline and I wear black tourmaline and I work with black tourmaline. Okay, but the thing is this: black tourmaline only expels, it does not secure. It helps you move toxic energy out, but it does not secure the energy to prevent further ongoings. So that means you really basically have to be working with another crystal to help secure your exterior energy or your exterior space, while also at the same time working with black tourmaline to ensure that the energy is moved away. So in a sense, if you're working with a stone like black obsidian, then you can do double duty as opposed to just working with one stone like black tourmaline. So let me explain this difference in another way. Black obsidian to me is almost like the security guard in a building, the one who can throw you out because you are an unwanted person or for whatever reason. And at the same time, that same security guard will close the door or close the gate and make sure that you stay out. So there's that element of being able to push you out and keep you out and secure the building. Black Tourmaline, on the other hand, is like a bouncer at a club who just throws out those people who are misbehaving. So when you're misbehaving in the club and you're no longer wanted, Black Tourmaline comes and throws you out. You're that energy that no one wants and you better get out. But once that job of expelling you out has been done, Black Tourmaline leaves the job of securing the club to another stone or crystal. And that stone or crystal could potentially be Black Obsidian. So from this analogy, you can probably tell that both of them are defensive stones, but the roles are different. So this is what I want you to pay attention to, the different roles: expel and secure. And I believe I made a video about how Black Obsidian secures energy. I'll probably link to it at the end of the video. So if you're interested, you can watch it and see how the energies of Black Obsidian secures the environment. And because it does that, it effectively prevents external things from coming into your space. And that is why it's such a powerful protection stone. It's so amazing how these stones and crystals work. I really enjoy these types of things. Okay, so again, the one thing that I want you to observe about these two stones is that both of them expel energy, but only one of them secures energy. And please feel free to tell me what you think about this situation, or whether you've observed it, or whether you care, or whether you don't care, or whether you agree with me or not. But it would really just be so nice, especially for me, to know where you're coming from with this perspective and how you're experiencing Black Tourmaline versus Black Obsidian, okay? And I really hope that I've tried to make these distinctions clear for you, because I really want value to come out of this so that you can be able to choose your crystals and know when you're really protecting yourself versus when you're just expelling the energy out and then leaving yourself sort of open, and so that you can make the right choice for you based on this understanding. And for me personally, I usually choose to wear genuine Black Obsidian, and believe me, there's unfortunately a lot of fake Black Obsidians being sold out there, so just be careful about that. It's always good to know. Of course, Black Obsidian is natural glass, but there's a lot of glass, dyed glass, being passed as genuine Black Obsidian. So just pay attention to that as well. It's unfortunate, but you know what? Let's do our due diligence on this type of matters. So my choice is Black Obsidian, or a combination of both. Well, and in some cases, Black Tourmaline. So it's a hard decision, but thankfully I'm aware of which stone to use under different circumstances in case I need to make a choice. But I love all these stones, so don't get me wrong. All right, leave your comments below. I'd love to hear. And until next time, keep those good vibes high. All right, bye.